two breakthrough AI tools, one for creative minds, one for knowledge seekers. Who truly leads the future of creativity and research in 2025? On the left, Pika Labs, your gateway to next-gen AI video creation. And on the right, Perplexity AI, the search engine designed for instant, accurate answers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category racks up points, so you'll know exactly which AI shines brightest by the end. And trust me, the result might just surprise you. Picture this. We're comparing these tools across core functionality, latest features and innovations, pricing and plans, use cases, and finally, accessibility and ecosystem. That's kinda everything important, right? Let's get going. All right, first up, core functionality. Pika Labs? It's a beast for video creation. You just throw in your ideas, tweak the ingredients to set your vibe, and poof, you've got slick HD video. The templates and Pika editions make it so fun to experiment. Like, honestly, even if you have zero editing skills. Okay, but it won't help you brainstorm text answers, logic puzzles, or anything outside visual stuff. And yeah, credit limits are a thing. Now, Perplexity AI flips the script. It's all about answering questions, crunching research, and pulling fresh stuff straight from the web. You ask, it serves up killer answers with actual citations. Not bad, right? But don't expect it to whip up videos or images. It's strictly pro for text, web, and research. So, if you're creating videos, Pika's it. If you want answers or research, Perplexity is solid. In fact, for core functionality, I'm calling it a tie. Two all-stars, just in totally different leagues. Now, let's talk about latest features and innovations. This is where things get spicy. Pika Labs just dropped version 2.1, ushering in full 1080p HD videos. And honestly, video realism that's starting to look shockingly good. The ingredients system means you can inject basically anything, your pet, your face, weird objects, right into a scene. Pika Editions? Oh, and here's something cool. It lets you add stuff after the video is made, which is honestly wild. The templates now give you, like, endless creative options. One thing though, if you're hoping for pro studio realism, they're still leveling up. Perplexity AI, on the other hand, isn't sleeping. It's got Perplexity Labs for deep dive research, artifact-like outputs, and it refreshes info like daily thanks to live web scraping. You can use advanced voice mode, code, and generate research artifacts. But full-on media creation isn't something you'll get here. So, for pure innovation, gotta give it to Pika Labs. It's just shaking up creative AI right now. Next, pricing and plans. Okay, so here's how Pika Labs works. You sign up, they toss you 250 free credits to mess around with, and even after that, you get 30 new credits per day. Plenty for casual creators or those who just want to play. If you're a power user, though, you'll have to check out paid plans for more credits and sweet commercial licenses. The catch? If you want HD output or to turn your art into cash, those higher quality bits cost extra. Now for Perplexity AI. The free tier is, honestly, really generous. You can do tons of research without paying a dime. Their pro plan is $20 a month, and for super advanced stuff, it's $200. Most search and answer features, though, are wide open for everyone. Labs and some special tools do sit behind a paywall, but nothing feels restricted up front. So, for monthly value and what you get for free, Perplexity AI takes the win here. No question. Hold up, random fact time. Did you know Perplexity AI actually cites every answer it gives, so you know it's legit? In Pika Labs, you can snap a selfie and animate yourself in your own video. How cool is that? Swinging into use cases. So Pika Labs is hands down aimed at those wanting to create. Whether you're pumping out TikTok-style videos, promo visuals for a brand, or just messing with animated art. Marketers, artists, and any social media addicts are gonna love it. Obviously, all that is kinda niche. If you just want to ask questions or do everyday stuff, it's not for you. But Perplexity AI is a researcher's dream. Students, journalists, anyone who needs honest, fast facts. Sources cited, summaries of beefy articles. It's perfection. But you won't find any AI-generated art or videos here, so it can't help with creative visuals. You know what? For use cases, both have their unique strengths, so I'm calling it a tie. Time for accessibility and ecosystem. Pika Labs honestly is super easy to pick up. just a web login, and their Discord community is buzzing if you want to collaborate or show off. But it's mainly English for now, and it doesn't play super nice with other productivity tools, so you're mainly working in one creative bubble. Perplexity AI totally flips the accessibility dial. Web, mobile app, browser extension, multi-language support. I mean, you can tie it into your study or workflow in seconds. The only catch? The creative community vibe isn't as loud or collaborative as Pika, but as a tool to slot into your daily life, Perplexity wins. No contest. So, on the scoreboard, Pika Labs is giant for creative video magic, especially if you're after fresh features and that wow factor. Perplexity AI, meanwhile, crushes it for everyday research, broad accessibility, and that sweet, sweet value. You can really see the strengths mapped out here. Honestly, if you want expressive AI video creativity, Pika Labs is the one to grab. But if you're about getting instant answers, deep research, or you just need an AI buddy for your school or work projects, Perplexity is a no-brainer. Real talk though, using both together is kinda epic. Create visuals in Pika and double-check facts or catch trends with Perplexity. That's like the AI dream team. If this comparison helped, don't forget to hit follow for more expert AI matchups. And trust me, the evolution in creative and research AI is only getting started. Keep watching for what's next.